All right, guys. Take number 5 million, apparently. No. Yeah, I've totally tried this a few times and my sound wasn't working and a million other things. Hopefully I finally get it right this time. Super short video if I can. Just going to show you some of the evidence I got. Let's make this quick. So this particular spot, this would be called Great Duck Island. I am 16 miles from this. Let me get you... I don't believe it's that one. Oh, yep, that one. So this one, that needs to get out of my way. So does that. So that one, so Great Duck Island, which is actually what's being looked at right here, from my position is 15.7 miles to the middle of it. The outer edge of it here, measured, if I can find it, 16 miles. So the maximum distance is 16 miles, mid about 15. This one's about 14, let me see. 14.1. Let me make this smaller so you can see it. Click out of that. So I'm here at Scudic Point, kind of dangerously on rocks because you know it's how I roll. 14 miles to the smaller circular island, and I'll show you the difference. But there's a big circular island that's close that we can see. There's the smaller one, and then there's Great Duck. The larger circle is 9.1 if I can find it. That one. So from Scudic to... Oh my gosh. Hold up. Struggle be real. Come on. That one. Thank you. Look away. There we go. 9.1. So from Scudic to this one is 9.1, and this one's 14, this one's 15 to 16. Edge of it is 16. Do some math real quick. My height, let me see if I can quickly find where I hopefully zoom and show you the rocks. Okay. So I am standing on these rocks. I did not go right next to the water because I'm not completely stupid. So unfortunately I will not be able to give you an exact number. However, I am right on the rocks, right close to the water. I overestimated, actually. So from where I'm standing, it's probably about maybe 5 feet from the water. And then my my tripod. So my tripod is, I know it's lower than me. I'm 5'6". It was about 4 feet. So we'll go with my height just for the heck of it. We'll go with 5 feet height. And then I shot an extra 5 feet up there. I mean, really, I'm nowhere near 15 feet in elevation from viewing this, but I did 15 feet anyway because I was not about to get precise and risk my life for the sake of precision. So 15 feet eye height. So the Great Duck Island, 16 miles away, 84 feet, right? Should be hidden, okay? 84 feet of that island should be hidden. The other one is 14 miles away. 57 feet of that island should be gone. And then the other one is 9.10. 12 feet. So the ones that are closer, 12 feet, right? Regardless, I should not be able to see the shores of these islands. And then, of course, the one that's 16, and I'll show you why, 84 feet should be hidden. I should not be able to see the island at all. Okay? I'll show you why. Look at these islands. This is Great Duck. Right? See that? There's the other one there, which is actually shorter than Great Duck. Right? That's Great Duck. There's some pictures of Baker Island, so you can kind of see the shore before we look at the footage. This is the shore of Baker Island. The tan rocks, right? And a little bit of darkness here. Another short island, right? Great Duck Island. See if I can make this smaller so you can see it. Or at least bring it back over to... it's going to be annoying. Okay, we'll just do this. Right there. Great Duck Island topographic map. Elevation. Maximum elevation is 76 feet. Average mean 3. Shouldn't see it at all. Definitely should not see the shore of Great Duck. Should not see the shore of Baker. Because 12 feet of it should be hidden, right? Let me show you what I got. Oh, where'd my video go? Oh, that's a good question. Where'd it go? This always happens, right? That's how this goes. Oh, there it is. Okay. So let's get this back centered. Let's take a look. Can we or can we not see this stuff? So here, obviously, we see distortion. This one's Great Duck. This is Great Duck. This is the smaller circle. And then the other one I'll show you here in a minute. Now, if you look, you can see that the distortion does change height. It goes up and down. I wish I would have taken a better time lapse. I have zero patience to have my camera sitting there for 30 minutes. I need to get better with that. But you can see the distortion changes, but pay attention to this right here, right? This never changes down here. This is the island, and this is the shore of the island, and then this is the image flipped upside down. I will show you with the closer island as well, so you can see what's happening here, because it's happening to all 3 islands. But you can still see even the closer island. It makes it easier to tell. This is the shoreline here. Hard to tell. I'm going to get footage on a better day. I'm trying to keep this video short. I'll get footage on a better day. But there are days that you can see it. Even with the naked eye, you can see this island. So you can go out there whenever you want. Go stand at Scudic. Make sure you get down low in the rocks. Which is, or, I mean, don't go so low that you, like, hurt yourself. Please don't take that terrible advice from me. I lied. But, to each his own. If you want to, do it. You can see these islands with the naked eye. Bad day, I'll get better footage later, but you can see that the island does not move. Only the image does. Only the distorted image, right? Upside down mirage. Okay? And a little splash. Yeah, you gotta love it. Anyway, so... yeah, there's Great Duck. There's the smaller one. And then this is Baker. And I'm going to get a better view. And then, of course, I had a little bit. I'll show you some of this real quick. So I zoomed all the way out. Just so I can show you the boat, too. Now, obviously, I don't know the distance of the boat. But it's still fun zooming in on boats that you can't see. I couldn't see that with my eye. I actually had to get that with the camera. I'm trying to keep my camera to stick up with it. Some of this is shaky because I have my tripod. I don't like it. It's not very solid. I can let go of it and it tends to slide for some reason no matter how tight I put it. But there's your boat. And more of the boat apparently. I'll get raw footage up. I'll put it on there at some point. Trying to make this as quick as possible. Okay, so this, you'll see me zoom in on Baker. So there's the 2. There's Great Duck. There's a smaller one. And this is Baker. This is 9.1 miles. Remember that tan shoreline. In this particular image, you can kind of see what's happening a little better. This is a good spot right here. In a second. My constant adjustments to my tripod. Yeah, I don't know why it changes, but here's the shoreline, right? That shoreline that you saw. You can see a little bit of the dark part too. It's far away, but you can still see. Right? Gotta love that bird. Just saw that. Just noticed that. Hi, bird. But let's zoom in over here. So, I'm pretty sure I zoom in a little more, but you can see the island here. So this is the inverted image. This is the actual image. This is the object that's being miraged here, upside down right here. But the object is actually there, which is something you'll find anytime you have a mirage. There we go. I thought I did. anytime you got a mirage, the object that's miraging is there. It's it's not hidden. Like the mirage is right on the top of the object. It's always literally right. Yeah, as you see here, the object is here. The mirage is directly above it. Okay. But what you'll see here in this is the oh my gosh, that's annoying. It keeps popping up. The shoreline. Okay. Those rocks. For the math on this one is 12 feet, right? And that's giving it extra room. Okay. Extra room for air. Lots of extra room for air. 12 feet should be hidden with the extra room for air. Even more so if I had not done that. But as I said, I'm not risking my life to measure the ocean. Not happening there. But here's the island. Here's the shoreline. There's the inverted image. 9.1 miles away. And then so you can, yeah, for the sake of showing you. So obviously, this is what's happening to the other island as well. So I like this because you can actually see what's happening here. You can see that the island is here and this is upside down. Same goes for these ones. It's not as easy to see and I have to get better footage. But the island is here. The inverted image is above it. The mirage, right? Maximum elevation of this island that can be seen with the naked eye is 76 feet. From that position, 80 something should be hidden. What did it say? 80. 84 feet. So you tell me, is that actually hidden? Is that actually over the curve? What? There's your islands. One. No, in a minute, kid. Go eat your food. 1 island, 2 island, 3 island. Larger circle, smaller circle, great duck. All of which can be seen with the naked eye on any day. Okay. So. Oh, I can't think when my kid's talking to me. Anyway, but that's pretty much it. So there's this island. This one, all three, regardless. You can see them. And of course, go back and look at my Pettit Mannon. But I'll put up all the raw footage into a raw footage folder. I'll create a folder for all the raw footage. I got to get my name on everything. Then once I get that done, you guys can take my footage and do as you want with it. Share it. I just ask that you give credit where credit is due. Also, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want, because I will be posting more. This is something that I love to do. Also, if you want to support me, right now I'm basically Ubering and DoorDashing and doing what I can to get moving, so I can't go out as much as I would like to go do this. And that's the problem with going to the ocean. It's really far away, so I got a lot. It's not something that's feasible for me to do every day. But if you would like to help me get that set up and actually be able to go out more often, that would be great. This is my passion. This is all I ever want to do. I did go to school for technically psychology, but research methodology is something that I studied. So, but you just can't do these types of things. You can't tell people that this is the kind of research you want to do and actually expect to get a job. And I'm not the kind to lie. So unfortunately, in interviews, I'm not going to be lying. I probably won't get a job doing this, but yeah, so if you would like to support me, I do have a link. I'll link it in this here and other places. I'll try to set up more stuff, but I would love to have some sponsors that would help me be able to go out and do more of these experiments for you guys. I've got tons. Check out the rest of my channel. I get sunspots on suns. I get crepuscular sun rays. We're going to be doing a lot more experiments. We're going to do some experiments that kids can do. It's going to grow. This channel is going to grow. So if you would like to help me make this more of my career, feel free to support me. That would be awesome. But you obviously, no obligation. Please don't do that. But at the very least, if you could like, subscribe, that would be awesome. Get this channel going and let's get this truth out there. Let's wake up the world, guys. The world needs to wake up to the truth. Nobody wants to hear it. I get it. Nobody wants to admit that we've been fooled. I get it. But the truth is the truth. Observation doesn't lie, okay? There are things we shouldn't see and we can always see it. So, just thank you guys. Love y'all. I hope you guys see the truth. Also, we have a Leaving Spiritual Egypt channel. Feel free to head over there if you like Bible stuff. This right here. The Creator made this world, and it's exactly as the Bible explained it. So, if you want to learn more about that, you can go to Leaving Spiritual Egypt, our channel for Bible study as well. But this is my science channel, so like it if you like science, because science is awesome, and it's going to get nothing but better on this channel. So, thank you guys. Peace out.